What to know about exercise and how to start. Exercise involves in engaging in physical activity and increasing the heart rate beyond the resting levels. It is an important part of preserving physical and mental health. Whether people engage in light exercise such as walking or high intensity workouts like uphill cycling or weightlifting, exercise gives a lot of benefits for both mind and the body. Taking part in exercise of any intensity every day is essential for preventing many kinds of diseases and health issues. There are three categories of exercise. Number one, aerobic, and the second is anaerobic, and the third is agility training. Aerobic exercise aims to improve how the body uses oxygen. Most aerobic exercise takes place at average level of intensity over longer period. An aerobic exercise session involves a warm-up and then exercising for 20 minutes and then cooling down. Aerobic exercise mostly uses large muscle groups. Aerobic exercise improves muscle strength in lungs, heart, and the whole body. Aerobic exercise lowers blood pressure and it improves circulation and blood flow in the muscles. It increases red blood cell count to enhance oxygen transportation. It reduces the risk of diabetes, stroke, and cardiovascular diseases. It also improves the life expectancy. Aerobic exercise stimulates bone growth. It also improves sleep hygiene. It enhances stamina by increasing body ability to store energy molecules. Anaerobic exercise. Anaerobic exercise does not use oxygen for energy. People use this kind of exercise to build power, strength, and muscle mass. These exercises are high intensity workouts. They should last no longer more than 2 minutes. Anaerobic exercise includes weightlifting, sprinting, skipping with a rope, and isometrics. While all exercise benefits heart and lungs, anaerobic exercise has fewer benefits on cardiovascular health compared to aerobic exercise and uses fewer calories. However, it is more effective than aerobic exercise in improving the muscle and building strength. Increasing muscle mass causes the body to burn more fat even while resting. Muscle is the most efficient tissue for burning fat in the body. Agility training. Agility training aims to improve a person's ability to maintain control while speeding up, speeding down, and changing the direction. People who take part in sports that heavily rely on positioning, coordination, speed, and balance need to go for agility training on a regular basis. Some of the sports that require agility training are tennis, football, hockey, volleyball, basketball, rugby, American football, and so on. Some exercises combine stretching, muscle conditioning, and balance training. Risk of not exercising. A sedentary lifestyle can increase the risk of cardiovascular diseases, type 2 diabetes, and cancer. It can also contribute to an increased risk of premature death from all causes, including complications being overweight and obesity. Finding time to exercise. Fitting exercise into a busy schedule can be a roadblock to a successful regime. However, people do not need to dedicate a large amount of time to exercise and to see the benefits of the exercise. Here are some tips for fitting physical activity in your busy schedule. See which car journey you can replace with walking or cycling. Consider walking up and down the stairs at the office instead of using elevators or escalators. While watching television, you can do light exercise such as stomach crunching and jumping jack. You can also do vigorous housework and gardening. You can go for a brisk walk for 30 minutes at least 5 days in a week. Walk with your dog or go for jogging or walk with your friends. Try to add swimming to your weekly routine, even though if you cannot do it on a daily basis. Join some exercise classes that are fun, collaborative, and educational. Exercise sometimes is a gradual learning curve. A person should spread the session across the week and scale up the intensity slowly. It is important for people to ensure that they drink plenty of water during the workout and after the workout. While combination of aerobic and anaerobic exercise gives the most benefit, doing any exercise is better than none for people whose current lifestyle is inactive. Tips for starting exercise. Exercise may be difficult to maintain for some people, so consider these tips to maintain a long-term success. Have a clear goal, whether for health reason or otherwise. Exercise at your own pace. Exercising too much quickly can result in injuries, so avoid injuries. Enjoy yourself. Join a club or gym along with your friend. Vary your exercises and make it a habit. If you want, you can take the help of a personal trainer. The benefits of regular physical activity are wide opening, and it should be part of a person's every day to keep him or keep them healthy. Hi, this is Prasanna Yeshetty. I am the founder of Disease Free Health Society. I am on a mission to help 1 million women 40 plus achieve body transformation using strength training. I am the creator of Belly Weight Loss Health Blueprint and Belly Weight Loss Health Mastery. If you find this video useful, please join my private VIP group by clicking the link given in the comment box. You can also download the free PDF guide by clicking the link given in the comment box. Thank you and cheers.